So we got a K850i Sony Ericsson mobile phone. From 2007, 2008, around that time anyway. I used to have one of these and in about, look at the size on it compared to modern smartphones now. And how infuriating they are to use. Now, you might be thinking, what's wrong with this then? And the answer is, well, the screen works, it's all switching on. The problem lies, right there, let's put it on there. The problem lies with the keys. Up here's working. That's on this metal bars that go across here. But down here, nothing. So the keys are not working. So I think, let me think. Yeah, I think we should take it apart and try and fix it, because that's kind of what this channel's about. So we start by doing something that is not straightforward on modern phones. Removing the battery. I'm sure these are supposed to come out a lot easier. Move that over there. Right, so the next step, just get you in here a bit. Let's have a look. Torx bits, look. Two there, you've got to get rid of. Got to get rid of them. So. Now, the next step with these is to get them to force apart with one of these doobly watsits by a, like little plastic spudgy things. So I can press by here, that's it, push down, inside. Oh, have I broken anything? Oh, no. I could have sworn I saw something moving. Ah, it's the on switches, so they do tend to come out. Now we gotta get this bit off. I have had a bit of a watch of a video, and it does seem a bit of a pig to get this off. Let's give it a go. Gotta release these here. And then put your hand over there and then pop more back in. It's a bloody swine this is. Just that one. Bloody great. Losing my temper, bloody snap them all now. Right, I got that side off. Snap that one. I can't believe that's gone back in. Oh my god, this is so tricky. What is going on? Why does the world hate me so much? Oh, just clip back in over here. Ah, see the mistake I've made? No wonder I couldn't get it bloody off. It's all coming off now. Ow! Oh, you bugger. Finally. Finally. Oh, that was hard work. Right, so, next thing. Pop this out, yeah? Right. Now, did that come off because I popped it off? Oh, gone too far. Or was it already off? And that's where the keys are not working. This is the question we've got to ask ourselves, isn't it? How was everything looking in there then? Lots of little capacitors. Does that one look a bit... Wait there. That's my tweezers. Does that one look a little bit funky, or is it just the light? Oh, what about this one? Or is it just the light again? It might just be the light. We'll see anyway. We'll pull that back in. See if that did anything. While we're here though, while we are here, I'd like to have a look at these capacitors. If anyone knows me, I'd like to check capacitors. As Bob Ross would say, they just having a good old time there. But we got to check them. Bob Ross doesn't say about checking them. He just says about having a good old time there. Here we are. I think my camera gone dark all of a sudden for. So 330, 330 volts, 23 microfarad, bloody hell. I'm expecting that. And they are glued in heavily as well. Right, for a start, I wouldn't have them. And I don't really want to get involved in that. So, for once, I'm going to walk away from the capacitors. But they're camera based anyway, so they're not going to have anything to do with the screen edge DC. So let's put all this back where it came from. Right, it's back in. So let's pop these on. Oh, I love the sound these make, guy. So satisfying when they clip in. Oof! Question is now, do I test it now or put it back together and test it? Am I tempting fate by putting it back together and testing it? I think I'm going to go all balls out with this one, and I am going to put it back together. that's nice and loose and springy now. Look at that. So, the moment of truth. Lights are on, but no one's home. Ooh. Sony Ericsson. So we go menu, select message, write message. Bloody hell's a palaver, isn't it? Yeah! Word and oh god. Predictive text. Continue writing. Yes! Get in here. So there we have it. A mobile phone from 17 years ago that I've got no intention of using, but it's fully working again. What it says it's fully working. Look at that. Oh, that's wild, isn't it? Oh Christ, look at the picture quality though. How things have changed. But still, it's just working for that. There we are. Sony Ericsson fixed. So, if you liked the video, do me a favour, show me by pressing that like button, but also subscribe and share my stuff. It helps my videos get into the algorithm, make a big jigabee thing, and gets it all out there. But until next time, ta-ra!